So I'm back in the jungle again, and it's great. It's awesome to be back. But it was a lot fun to be gone as well, because I was able to dance the Argentine tango for a while. And that's an awesome dance. For me, it's great because I practice being present and heart-centered, or at least that's what I was secretly practicing when I was dancing with everyone. So the nice thing about it is that the heart-centered part of it kind of stays with you, and it's so much easier for me to get back to it, even though I'm not dancing it right now. And heart-centeredness and presence is what I'm trying to work on right now. So if you'd like to practice those things, I can recommend the Argentine tango. But being here is great because it's living in nature again. I have so many things right now, so many fruits coming. Of course, I almost always have my cacao. I have bananas almost always, but now I have some jackfruit coming, actually 2 types of jackfruit. And I also have a lot of mangoes. This behind me is a mango tree. So they're starting to come down, and actually I have to protect some areas because I think there'll be raining mangoes soon. I've also been growing other things like tomatoes. So I have different types of tomatoes, but I have a problem. See, living in the tropics where you have a lot of humidity, you also have a lot of fungus types. So my leaves, the leaves of a lot of different plants, but especially the leaves of tomatoes, have caught this fungus. I'm trying to strengthen the immune system, and I'm also trying to spray some a diluted version of colloidal silver on my tomato plants. This is not toxic to us. I make my silver myself with a machine, and you can eat the tomatoes right after you spray them. So I'm hoping that this will help them. It will take a few weeks before I actually know, but I really hope so, because I just planted 6 new types of tomatoes, some of which I really, really like.